Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to fix Face ID or Touch ID issue on iOS 26. If Face ID isn't recognizing your face, works sometime or stops completely, follow these steps. First, gently clean the front camera area at the top of your screen. Use a soft, dry cloth. Make sure there is no dot or mud. Use case or screen protector if not blocking the screen. Face ID needs a clear view to work properly. After that, tap on Setting app, tap on Face ID and passcode. Make sure to Face ID is turned on for iPhone Unlock, App Store app. Any option is off, Face ID may not work as expected. Press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clearly clear temporary bugs that can affect Face ID. If Face ID still doesn't work, go to Settings, tap on General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Face ID and performance. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.